Hi everyone. Welcome to this brand new podcast episode. I'm Jacob, your host. Do you want to hire top-notch rubber roof repair services in Kalispell? If yes, then reach out to Flagship Foam and Coatings. As the top-rated roofing company in Montana, they offer an array of roofing services including rubber roof repair. Their certified roofers work diligently to provide mistake-free roofing solutions. Plus, they use branded quality roofing materials to make your roof sturdy and durable. Moreover, they also offer free roof inspection to detect any roofing issues. To book a service, call 208-946-3031, or visit https://www.flagshipfoamcoatings.com. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates.